Okay, let's see the level for today. I'm gonna do pre-market highs here on ES. We have this level here, pre-market lows. We're still holding very important levels of support. So the market is still extremely bullish so far. See, look at these pre-market highs here on NQ. And then we're right at pre-market lows on NQ. Let's see if we're gonna hold it. So we have QQQ reacting the VWAP, and SPY is holding it. It's going for the pre-market highs, SPY, which is this level here on ES. That's previous day's highs, Friday's highs. Yeah, very nice pre-market lows hold here on NQ. We have NQ way weaker than ES. I like this NQ hold. I find it tricky that ES is way bullish than NQ and is right at resistance. I'm kind of liking this NQ hold, but I think it's kind of risky also going for that, for a bounce there. We had this little up downtrend and holding pre-market lows. We have ES reacting previous day's highs. Playing reactions, like I said before, the market is extremely bullish. Yes, it can have a red day and being bearish for a day, but we have seen how pullbacks or red move are getting bought up right away. So it's very tricky to play reactions in this market. But if NQ loses this little support here, I will definitely look for a break and retest to the downside. But so far, it just keeps holding here. Look at that hold on NQ and that bounce on ES. That's insane. ES hold here, I kind of like it, like a little bit better. I will say holding here. I'm gonna try it with a very small position. And these are evals also. So I think as long as NQ keeps holding here, it's bullish, to be honest. Ooh, I got to stop out there. Look at that. Look at that. Do we get another fake out here? Yeah, this is ugly price action, guys. Another crazy hold here. Let's see. I'm out. What was that? Oh my god. That was insane. NQ just keeps holding here, guys. That was insane. I'm like up almost 800 per account. Whoa.